Hello and welcome to Cooking Cheap, Easy, and Tasty Meals. I'm John, and today we're going to make a low-carb pizza with a meringue base. Since this recipe calls for 4 egg whites separated, I wanted to show you 4 different techniques for separating eggs. First is the old-fashioned one where you split the egg and you go back and forth. It's fairly easy, pretty well established. The second one is to use your hand to separate the egg yolk and the white. A little messy, but works pretty well and is fairly easy to do. The third method is to use a spoon to pull the yolk out. A slotted spoon is a little easier. You still have to manipulate the egg and you have to be fairly careful because you have to cut the whites off of the yolk. Sometimes they don't just drip free. The final way is to use a plastic bottle that you've cleaned to suck the egg yolk out of the mixture. It works very well and is easy to do. Add your egg whites to a large bowl and using a mixture, beat them until stiff peaks form. You'll see the stiff peaks. You can pick them up with the beater and they remain standing. Now add the arrowroot powder, the Italian seasoning, the garlic powder, and the onion powder and continue beating. Now take your cookie sheet or pizza pan and spray a little oil on it. Then lay a piece of parchment paper on top and spray it with a little oil. Empty the meringue onto the surface of the pan and spread it out evenly in the shape of a pizza base. Now bake it in a 350-degree oven for 15 minutes, so they'll just begin to brown. When you take the pizza out of the oven, add your pizza ingredients starting with the pizza sauce. Now I'm going to add my pepperoni. Now I'm going to add a little ham. I think a few tomatoes would be nice. And finally, a little cheese. Now back in the oven for another 7 to 10 minutes. Take a look at the crust. It is browned on the bottom. It's just not as firm as a flour crust pizza. When I saw this recipe, I had to try it. I've made meringue candy before, but I've never seen a savory meringue. I'll leave the link below to the original recipe. I hope you enjoy it as much as I have.